Hi, welcome to the video. My name is Ashley and today I'm going to be doing a Halloween makeup tutorial. I wanted to do a pumpkin makeup look and I thought that this would be a great way to do makeup in a way that's not too costumey but still is fun and festive, because I know that this year might be a little bit different and I don't know about you guys, but I still want to dress up. I think it's fun. So let's go ahead and get into the makeup. Alright, so the first eyeshadow that I used was in the shade called U Latte, and I applied this all over my eyelids to act as a base. I then applied the blush in the shade called Koi, and I applied that all over my eyelids and blended that a little bit into the crease as well. I also used another blush, and this one is called Tango, and again I applied this all over the lids and blended that a little bit into the crease as well. Both of these blushes are very peachy, very kind of, I don't want to say that they're orange, but they are kind of in that orange peachy family, so I felt like this would be really great to use actually on my eyes for this particular makeup look. And then I went in with the eyeshadow in the shade called Sugar and Spice, and I applied this to the crease. And then I went back in and just like blended all of that out. And then for the center of my lids, I applied a little bit of this eyeshadow in the shade called Down to Earth, which adds a little bit of sheen and shine, which is really beautiful. All of these eyeshadows combined together make the eyes have a little bit of an orange hue, which I think is perfect for a pumpkin makeup look. Then I lined my eyes using the black eyeliner, and I applied this both to my waterline, my upper lash line, and the lower lash line. And to finish off my eyes, I applied a generous amount of the Lash Project mascara to both my upper and lower lashes. For my lips, I used quite a bit of color, so I started out by using the lipstick in the shade called Coral Crush, which is beautiful. And then I also used the lipsticks in the shades called Spice and Easy. And I also used this one called Brazilliant. And And these three colors together gave the lip a more orangey kind of look. And then to top off my lips, I applied the lip gloss in the shade called Tangomint, which is a really beautiful kind of orangey red color that has a little bit of gold sheen to it, which is beautiful. And altogether, I think that this is a beautiful lip look for a pumpkin. Now let's get into the costume details. So typically what I like to do when it comes to costumes is I like to first evaluate what I already have in my closet, because I just don't want to spend a lot of money on a costume, so it's nice to kind of look and see what you already have that you can build off of. And then I also like to go thrifting for a lot of stuff, but sometimes I just couldn't find what I was looking for, so I did go shopping at the regular store as well. So for a pumpkin costume, you're going to want some type of shirt or sweater that has a cute little pumpkin face on it like this. I think that this is just so cute. Love it. It has like a little wink. I just think that's adorable. And then for the bottoms, you're just going to want some like black skinny jeans, which thankfully I already had in my closet, so this will be perfect. Then you're going to want some type of like headpiece. So actually I found two different options. I found this cute little pumpkin hair clip thing. It actually broke, which I'm kind of bummed about, so I'm going to have to fix that, and then you can just like wear it in your hair like that. I think it's super cute. Another option, which I actually found these at the dollar store, but I was gonna like make something out of them. I don't know if I'm gonna still do that or not, but they're still pretty cute. They're just like a little pumpkin headband, which is adorable. Now you're gonna need some shoes, right? So I think that just simple black flats would be totally fine, but I did find these super cute pumpkin flats secondhand through Poshmark, which, oh my gosh, I love them so much. They're so cute. These are gonna be really great if we do decide to go out on a walk. I don't know that we will, but if we do, these are gonna be super comfortable. So you'll want some shoes. Like I said, plain black flats would be totally fine. And then, I was gifted these little bracelets through who I bought the shoes from. She also included these little bracelets, so I'll probably wear these as well, and I think that they're super cute. Just orange and black little bracelets. To really finish off the costume, I really wanted to find a pumpkin bag, but I couldn't find one secondhand. I just couldn't justify buying a new one, so I did get this little traditional pumpkin basket, which I figured I could, you know, put whatever I wanted to carry in if we do go on a walk. So I'm gonna go ahead and change into my costume real quick, and I will be right back. And now I'm ready for Halloween as a pumpkin. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. But until next time, take care. Bye!